Look at the tree. Oh my god. Feels like you're getting attacked.
I know, it's pushing forward.
Yeah.
This is crazy. Look at this.
Like icicles? Really? It's like an icicle. Isn't that cool?
Oh my god, Nikki, look! Nikki, it's really pushing in. Michael, get away from it. It's just pushing and pushing and pushing.
I should probably pile this furniture up a little bit. After it.
Here, put this in there. No, we should move it, Nick. I don't know, but glass table, hello? Just put it right here up against this, though. Oh, look at that.
It's gonna shatter the windows. Okay, taking out the bush.
Oh, it stopped.
It's not gonna stop though.
What?
Yeah.
How is it doing this?
Because the water's moving. The lake opened up, see? So the water, when the wind is pushing, the water's pushing all this up here. Look at it. You know how long it's going to take to melt all
It
this?
sounds like a train.
Yeah. Last night it sounded like a tornado going through. When it all broke loose. Look at it. Look at that. It's a solid piece of ice.
No, but would you go get the paper out of the car so I can show Nikki? That is crazy. Ooh, oh! Just busted that spout off. Nikki, it just busted that gutter off that house.
This is going to be a bad year.
You know what though? It's not going to really come and get yours too much because of those trees.
No, but look at all that ice that's yet here to come.
Oh God. Is this
all
going to
coming
keep
off
doing
that.
this like all day?
Yep. Look at that. Everybody's recording it. Look at that way over there.
Oh God.
This is going to do so much damage to the foundation and stuff. People aren't going to go outside the house.
Look at it. It's just plowing over that bush.
Yeah. Look at how it's moving too. It's just going this.
It's plowing that bush over. Look, there it goes.
Yeah, it's like this. Like a little island.
It's hitting the houses. It's crawling up the walls of the houses.
Yeah. This is going to be really bad because we have a whole lake of ice that's going to come up. Look at that tree. I wonder how they're going to stop it. Oh, there you go. Brushing some dust straight shot in. Really fast and bushy.
There it goes. hitting that people's house. Yeah, it's up against it. Nikki! Look, because it's stopping, it's piling up. Because it's stopping, it's piling up. Because the house is stopping it from moving. Yeah, it's over at that house. Oh, shit. Oh my god, their door's in! Nikki, it just busted through a door over here. All the way through, the door's caving. Look at that. It's going right through their fucking house. Oh, you need to call somebody.
I don't know who to call. The village isn't open.
911. No, 911's not going to help, but it's going into their house. Okay. It's just went into their house.
That's Paul Fink's unit right there.
Call him.
No,
you got his number?
That's his.
I know, but does anybody know who lives there? Michael, get away from it.
I'm trying to break the ice.
Oh my god, you hear that? Nikki, it's still moving into that house.
I can't do nothing about it, Darla. The village is closed. I can call the fire department. That'd probably be the best so that no gas lines bust. Can I call the fire department?
Do you know who lives over here? Because it went